Sending money directly to a bank account around the world has never been easier than with Remitly. Let's get started by heading to the Remitly website or opening the app and clicking on Send Money. First, you'll need to tell Remitly where you're sending money to select the Send to Country from the drop-down menu. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. Remitly will immediately show you the exchange rate and the total cost, so there are no surprises. Now, we need to add your recipient. If you've sent to them before, you can select them from your existing list. Otherwise, choose Add New Recipient. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's full name, as it appears on their bank account. Accuracy here is key. For this tutorial, we're focusing on direct bank deposits. Make sure to select Bank Deposit as your delivery method. This is where you'll need their bank information. Enter the recipient's bank name and their bank account number. Double-check these details for correctness. Before confirming, Remitly will show you a clear summary of your transfer. This includes the amount being sent, any applicable fees, and an estimated delivery time. This usually ranges from a few minutes to a couple of business days, depending on the destination country and your chosen speed. Choose your preferred payment method. You can use a debit card, credit card, or even your bank account. Review everything one last time, and then hit Confirm Transfer to send your funds securely and directly to your recipient's bank account. And that's it. Your money is on its way directly to their bank account, making international transfers convenient and reliable with Remitly.